We're talking about gas cans today, diesel cans, and even water cans. If that's something that interests you, take a look at what we got here. We've got a couple different kinds, and we're gonna tell you from real life ranch experience which ones work the best. Ones that I do not like, I hate, are the US government approved ones. Like this one right here. This is what we use for our mixed gas because it's annoying. The lid is hard, it's like child-proof. It's hard to get on and off. You have to depress this little green button, which you're trying to hold it, push the button and tilt it. It's super annoying. All the safety features on this make it a junk for fueling up anything. What we have used for the past probably 12 years now are jerry cans from VP Racing. These cans aren't gas cans, they're transfer cans. Transfer any liquid you want. You just can't call it a gas can. But this was for diesel. We have color combinations. You can get about any color under the sun with these kinds of cans. So yellow is for diesel. Black on our farm is for water. We use these things to water our chickens, to carry water around for the garden or whatever we need. The handle's convenient, super sturdy, and nice big lid, big opening. But just, oh, and then for gasoline, we use the red color. Nice flexible spout, you can get it in there, tilt it up. But my dad just recently purchased some tough jugs right here. I was a little apprehensive because I love my jerry cans, but I think I'm sold now on tough jugs. The spout is more flexible than the VP Racing jerry cans, and there is no air vent on this. This one has a little air vent here, and without fail always spills just a little bit of fuel out. But these new tough jugs, no air vent. What they do have is this long tube that, if you can see it up inside the clear plastic there, it gets air from the bottom of the can and then forces out fuel. It is faster than the VP Racing. The handle is in a better spot for tilting it out. And I didn't even know it did this till I was filling up the mule. It automatically shuts off once the fluid hits the tip here. Super simple. The only negative I found with the jerry cans, or not jerry cans, this is a tough jug, is that it only holds right at 5 gallons. Whereas the jerry can, you can get about 6 gallons in these puppies. So for what it's worth, here on the ranch, we use a lot of these type of cans to transport things, diesel, gasoline, water. My new favorite one is the tough jug. So if you're in the market for a tough jug, you can get them anywhere online. They run about 40 bucks. And the same thing for the VP Racing jerry cans. They're about 40 bucks online. Highly recommend either one. For ease of use and a couple cool little features, the tough jug is probably just a hair ahead of the jerry can. Thank you for watching. Hope this is helpful. If you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments and we'll try to make some more of just things we use here on the farm. I'm not being sponsored by any of these companies. I'm a real life rancher and this is stuff we use here on our farm, our ranch, every day. So appreciate all your likes and comments, and please subscribe for more ranch life things. Take care.